Welcome to the behind the scene of music video J Perry and GJ Griot. It started like it wasn't a good day, but it's gonna be an amazing day all over because I had to replace a dancer last minute. Thankfully, we have a dancer. We have a replacement. So this is a project that means a lot to DJ Griot and it means a lot to us because we always take any project special. We treat it like it's our project. So this is DJ Griot's first music video featuring J Perry, and right now we at Dansa L Studio preparing for the dance. You know, and everything that we do, there has to be the dance part of it. So here's all the dancers. Deja Morgan is now teaching our new guy the new choreography. This is a part of it. So now it took us a little bit of time because we had to start all over because he's the last minute call. But he's an amazing dancer. He's getting everything correctly. So I'm excited. So today's gonna be a long day. We're supposed to start, we started at 2:30. Call time is 6 p.m. Everything's gonna be done today. 6 p.m. we'll be on set getting ready for music video. Whatever's going to happen there, you'll see. Stay tuned so you can see more. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share. Haha.
I have a question for you. You can hear, right? Were you guys expected to learn a choreography on set?
No, I was not, especially that long. I was like,
I was not expecting any of that. I was kind of scared actually.
but I killed it though. But it was amazing.
I was like, oh no, I cannot learn quickly, but then we did. You're a great teacher.
Oh, thank you. You hear, right? I'm a great teacher. There, Diane. Don't forget to tune in. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Comments. You know, we like the comments. We'll reply to your comment. So stay tuned for more to come.
Move back, and we move up. Second line. So y'all are going straight back, and you're taking her old spot. Well, actually, wait, no. Same line. So you go outside, and then you go outside, and then so 2 lines. So go back. Ta-da. We just did 5, 6, 7 hop up. Front line moves back into this. Yeah, so 2 lines. And we're just gonna stay in 2 lines for the rest. Then we get closer together on that part. So everybody does come in for a clump. Clump, tighter. After this is still spread out. And then, can you take me high? Come tighter. Come on, we don't bite. All right, so tighter. Yeah, clump. So, so 4. Then any arms for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2, 3, 4, and low. 2, 3, 4, and up. For the third one, any hand. So first,
Yeah, a lot of people.
So he said right here the same thing?
Yes.
Yeah, so to do a scene right there where they dancing with every team,
Okay.
I think he's trying to make all of us be in there,
Okay.
but we'll see.
Nous going to moment for you.
I'm here with DJ Griot and J Perry.
That's what it is. That's what it is. We here. Bella L, Dance L. What's the word?
Das AL.
Dance L.
Das AL.
Ooh,
Das AL.
Studio.
Dance L Studio, DJ Griot, J Perry, Cloud9 video shoot. We here with the beautiful Marie. You know what it is. It's gonna be incredible when the shoot come out. When you see the video, amazing.
Yes. Who provide you with the dancers?
Well, this girl named Marie, what I did was, you know, I went to Snapchat. I couldn't find nobody. I went to OnlyFans. I couldn't find nobody. Then I went to Instagram, and there she was. Whoa! And I got her.
Thank
And I
you.
got her, and she did it.
Donc c'était grâce à elle, grâce à elle.
Grâce à elle.
Ah, nous allons danser dans Cloud9.
Exactly how I feel 'cause I'm on high.
Griot, you gonna dance too?
Yeah, di bagay swa, no?
Let me tell you
Di bagay swa.
what I'm doing. I'm letting the professionals do this.
Yeah.
I'm not. I got to
You know, you gotta do the challenge.
I'm like a cornball, but that's all right. Yo,
Nan de pou gen men mouvman yo.
funny, like when you on stage,
5, 6, 7, and woo-hoo. Let me take you higher. And woo-hoo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, tap, 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 bum, bum. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, and woo, woo, let me take you higher. Bum. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Ba, ba, ti, ti. Okay? We stay there. Woo-hoo. Down. Okay, let's close legs and then come up with here and then close again. Woo-hoo. Ba, 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 ba. Bring it up, yeah.
2, 3,
So,
4.
first one.
3, 4. That's it. Yeah, 4 fois. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Wow, get the go move là. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom.
This is the area where they're gonna dance. So they're gonna get a feel of the floor because it's kind of like not soft. I'm glad they're wearing tennis shoes for this part. And then the club scene, they're gonna be glamorous with their heels on.
I wanna feel good, yeah,
Let me take you higher. And tap, tap, love. 1, 2 fois. 1, 2, boom. Again, 5, 6, 7, and woo. Let me take you and tap, tap, love. And then, nous répétons encore.
okay.
Let me take you higher and woo. Oh, toi.
Yeah.
Non, ça c'est ça, on a fait ça.
The last time it's here.
Yes.
Okay.
Tap, 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 boom.
You got it right there. All right.
Tap, tap, boom. Tap fait 2 fois.
Ready?
5, 6, 7, and woo-hoo. Down, up, and woo. Tap, tap, love. Again. Woo. Take you higher. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ouais? Et puis, mets encore ça.
Time is here.
The hands going. Look at Jay Perry. Look at he's a pro man. He's a pro man. There you go. Okay, so après ça, easy. I'm excited. Yes. So this is the dancers. They're ready to go. They just gotta freshen up. This is Jay Perry and this is DJ Griot.
We're gonna change. Yes.
Yeah.
This is Rosie. Oh.
Hi. So how was it working with Dansa L Studio, Deja as the choreographer and everything?
Oh my gosh, it was so amazing. I felt super comfortable, very relaxed. I learned a few little things, you know what I'm saying?
Great energies. I love Deja. She's such a kind heart, to be honest. The chorus is fire. Good vibes, good vibes. I love my Afro and my Caribbean side, so.
No, but it was really fun. It was really fun, and I felt comfortable. I felt welcome, and it was a great time. Thank you.
Technique nan ba yo, ouais? Technique nan ba yo.
Oh, technique.
Technique pa arrête pote boué, parce qu'on va faire macaque.
You look amazing, by the way.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that compliment.
And guess what, guys? She learned the challenge really, really well and instantly in less than 5 minutes. But she was like, I don't think I'm doing it right. And she was doing everything right.
Thank you so much.
You'll see.
I try, I try. I got a little dance experience.
I prefer going in. No traffic.
So Jay Perry, I've been following you for a while. You are in the Haitian HMI. You hear me? You're killing it.
I'm working.
You're working. You're doing your thing.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You get involved with DJ Griot too, as being part of his first new song. You know what I mean? This is special.
This is special.
Yeah.
It is special, and I mean, growing up, even not being in the music industry, I used to recognize Griot's voice. His voice is particular.
Yes.
The way he entertains a crowd, the way he animates, I feel like it stood out. And I've always wanted to work with that voice, that guy, whoever it was. I didn't know him back then, so for me it was just a voice. And now that I get to know the person behind the voice, it's just an honor. And it's like I feel like I'm accomplishing. It's a milestone to work with DJ Griot because I've always heard him. He's done so much for Haiti, for the culture, and now he's back, and it's an honor to be a part of his project.
That's amazing. I love the story behind it. You started with we're listening to him and now working with him.
Exactly.
You never know what life can hold, right?
Exactly.
So so far, what's your experience here? Like the atmosphere, the dancers, like
The atmosphere is great, and I didn't expect anything less because someone like Griot is such a good person,
big heart.
a big heart that I know that everyone he hires also has a big heart.
Yeah.
And the people who work with him are like almost as how do I say sympathique?
Yes.
Like they're as happy as him, a good heart as him.
What did he say about me? Marie-Carmelle landed the dancer and the choreographer. What did he say about me?
Professional, and good vibes. And once you're a professional and good vibes, everyone wants to work with you.
Yes, thank you.
And I want to work with you too.
So you hear it. You didn't hear from me. You hear from Jay Perry. And he's doing his thing. Thank you so much for the time. We're about to have it. So, madam, how did you hear from this amazing project? And you here looking all fat?
I heard from Dudley Entertainment Casting.
Okay.
I applied to the job and I just got booked as the lead female model.
Voilà. So, merci beaucoup. We need to do a dance challenge, right? Simple. Okay. Really quick. So first formation. So Mike, start on this side. Come a little bit more open. So like if y'all hanging out, and then y'all join. So second.
Something special.
All right, TikTok.
Thank you for watching the behind the scene of DJ Griot and J Perry. Yeah. So I give a big shout out to CB Visual. If it ain't it, it ain't us.